Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseland, and today I want to talk to y'all about weight loss and how hard it is to start a diet. Why is it so hard to start a diet? Me, I'm always saying, okay, well, I'm definitely going to go ahead and start on Monday because it's always going to be a Monday that we're going to start a diet. We got to start in the beginning of the week. So when Monday gets here, I'm just like pumped. That Sunday, I'm just like, okay, let me eat all the junk food I want to eat now because Monday is gonna be on. I'm gonna be on top of it. I got all this time I need to lose this weight. So Sunday, you have just ate up everything you wanted to eat up, and when you wake up Monday morning, what happens? Well, I don't know what happened with y'all, but with me, I wake up Monday and I'm just like, first things first, I eat something sweet. I done went and got me a snack cake. So I done sabotage Monday already. It's so sad. I don't understand why it is so hard to just stay committed on a diet. So I had already messed up Monday. So I'm thinking, okay, I done messed up Monday already. So Tuesday, I'm definitely gonna be on it on Tuesday. Tuesday gets here. I have woke up in the morning, made me a nice breakfast. My breakfast is all healthy. I didn't pack my lunch for work, all my little healthy snacks and my healthy lunch, got my water bottles and everything. I take my lunch to work. I get to work, it's about 7 o'clock, and I take my lunch to work. 10 o'clock rolls around. I'm starving. The snacks just ain't gonna get it. I'm starving. So what do? I go in the break room on my 15-minute break and I eat my lunch. Yep, you know it. I know y'all have done it too. You eat the lunch that you made for lunch, for breakfast. This is crazy. Why does it happen like this? So I done ate my lunch at 10 o'clock. My lunch is not until like 1 or 2 p.m. So now from 10 to 1, I done ate all my snacks, all my fruit, all my healthy stuff. I done ate that already. And fruit don't hold anyway, so you hungry. Now fruit that made your stomach feel empty. So now lunchtime gets here. Okay, lunchtime gets here. You done ate all your snacks by 11. Lunchtime gets here, you starving. So what do? Oh, you go to the lunchroom and you order whatever the lunch special is. Just go ahead and give me the lunch special. You've already felt like you have messed up your whole day because you ate all the stuff that you packed to plan for work. You've already ate it. And instead of just going in there, getting a little salad or something, getting something that's a little healthy, you go all in for it. Just give me that lunch special. You got soda, you got dessert. You just living it up because you've already messed up in the beginning. It's so sad. That is me. And it happens so often. It's so hard to stay on track. So you done messed up Tuesday now. And then you're just thinking, when you get home, you're like, you know what? I've already messed up. You didn't already exercise. Monday and Tuesday, you have been Monday, you've been on it. You have been exercising. You done did three times a day. And then since you messed up your diet at work the next day, what happens? When you get home, you eating everything that you want to eat. And then you say what? Oh, I'm going to start my diet next Monday again. That is so crazy to me. I don't know why I do this to myself. I know I'm not by myself. I know y'all do this too. But I can tell you right now, it has to stop. So soon I am going to be starting to diet. I just want to lose 20 pounds. I'm not trying to go on a diet for 6 months. It should not take this long. I just want to lose 20 pounds and then just kind of eat right. Get back on track to kind of, having snacks here and there, but just not all the time. I should be able to do that. And I'm going to hold y'all accountable for making sure that I do what I'm supposed to be doing. I can tell y'all right now, I've been trying to diet or start a diet for 3 months now. At least 2 months anyway. let me show you how dedicated I have started to be and haven't started the diet yet. Look at this, y'all. I already pulled my exercise machine in. Look at this. It's pretty, ain't it? Just sitting up there all nice and pretty, all ready for me to just take it and, get my exercise and cardio on. But guess what? I haven't even got on it at all. I haven't got on it to even just try to get my stamina up to even get started on the diet. It's so sad how this works. Why is it so hard to start a diet? And then once you start it, stick to it. It's not forever. It's not like you have to live this way for the rest of your life. It's just a short amount of time, but it's so hard. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for listening to my rant. I'm just about to start a diet. I still am not ready for it, but I need y'all to hold me accountable with it. I just need to lose 20 pounds. How hard could that be? I've lost 20 pounds time and time and time and time again. I should know how to do this by now. But getting started is so hard. Y'all just gonna have to motivate me to just keep trying, because right now I just want to eat junk food and just be fat. Why not? Why can't I just live my best life? Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.